and welcome to the season 5 of Summer Fantoosh, an initiative by the JGI Hyderabad cluster. I am Shikha Shrivastava, the head of the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad. Today, I am going to discuss about the importance of idioms and proverbs in our language. We also learned about 10 idioms and how to use it in our day-to-day communicative language. We need idioms and proverbs because they give expression, richness and depth to our language. Idioms and proverbs make our language more expressive and effective. When we use idioms and proverbs to say our things, they become more vivid and more interesting. For example, if I say I'm very happy, and then if I would say that I'm on cloud 9, it makes a difference. They share the culture and wisdom. Proverbs especially carry the lessons, values and shared experiences of a culture or community. They improve the understanding of the native language use in real-life conversations. They stimulate the reflective thinking. Proverbs often involve the metaphorical and symbolic thinking, encouraging people to reflect in deeper meanings beyond the literal statement. Proverbs and idioms add humor and playfulness in the conversation. For example, kick the bucket in place of saying die. In short, proverbs and idioms make language more engaging, meaningful and relatable. They connect us with culture, history and with each other in many ways, which plain language sometimes cannot. Let us learn 10 idioms today in order to use them in our day-to-day conversations to make our conversations more engaging, meaningful and humorous. The first idiom is break the ice. The meaning is to initiate a conversation in a social setting. For example, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. The second idiom is bite the bullet. The meaning is to endure the painful and unpleasant situation which is unavoidable. For example, she bit the bullet and went to the dentist. The third idiom is once in a blue moon. It means something that happens very rarely. For example, I eat fast food only once in a blue moon. Fourth idiom is spill the beans, and it means to disclose the secret or reveal something prematurely. For example, she spilled the beans of his promotion. The fifth idiom is break a leg, which means wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance. For example, before stepping on stage, the director whispered, break a leg, to the nervous actors. The sixth idiom is hit the nail on the head, which means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. For example, you hit the nail on the head with your comment. The seventh idiom is beat around the bush, which means avoid saying something directly. For example, it is her habit to beat around the bush. The eighth idiom is cost an arm and a leg, which means very expensive. That beautiful painting cost an arm and a leg. The ninth idiom is every cloud has a silver lining, which means that every bad situation has some good aspect. For example, even though the job interview was challenging, but it's a reminder that every cloud has a silver lining. The last and the 10th idiom for today's session is a piece of cake. which means easy to do. For example, that project was a piece of cake for Tom, as it was incredibly easy. With this, I come to an end of today's session on idioms and proverbs. I hope that you have learned these 10 idioms and also have understood the importance of idioms and proverbs in your day-to-day conversations. I hope that you all must use these 10 idioms in your day-to-day conversations and see the magic, how it will be more meaningful, engaging and relatable. Cheers! Until we meet again.